Martech. I'm the founder of Qnvert, and I'm gonna give you a demo about our Sales Cloud today. So this is our instance, and for every client we've got a separate instance created. This is a cloud-based software. So let me log in to our Sales Cloud. So when you log in, and as an admin, when you log in to a system, you land up on the marketing side of it. What you have to do is click on marketing and go to sales panel. Now this will showcase the entire sales pipeline, sales cloud, leads, and everything related to your inquiries that you generate. This is the dashboard where you get the entire and overall numbers in terms of what are the kind of leads that you have in the system, what are the active leads that you're working on, some fresh leads, and of course the conversion that you're getting. You would see a deal pipeline in place where you can look at various stages of your sales process. You can change and customize this sales process step, and of course your winning and your loss ratio. Some graphs on the dashboard which basically tells you how and your sales activities are going on. Of course, you can have a quick look at the task of your team member, what is pending, what is today's, and what is upcoming. So this dashboard will give you a quick snapshot of the activities that you have on your sales pipeline. How many leads you have won, how many products that are in the demand, what are the kind of location and revenue you're getting your number of leads, and of course the sources from the leads that you're getting from. So this dashboard gives you a snippet, a sort of a quick overview of your sales pipeline and sales activities. You can see there are left panel which basically comes in very handy when it comes to managing your sales and your leads in the system. What you have to do is, of course, go to the settings and create your system in a way that it is useful for you. You can create, you can add the products into various categories or subcategories, or you can add them directly into the system. You can add users and teams for various hierarchies. So users like admin, salesperson, sales agent, who if there is a third party sales agent that you've got a sales manager. So this is a user hierarchy that you can set up. You can set the products like in a way of category and subcategories. You can of course create your own pipeline. What is the pipeline that you have? Your goals of a particular team or a particular sales person. You can add source, and of course the loss reason if you want to add. So this setting is something that you can actually set up your entire sales system. Coming back to the dashboard, I'm gonna take you to the lead section now, which is on the left hand side. This is where all your leads get stored. So your campaigns from your website, your Facebook campaigns, your chat, your landing pages, everything and anything comes and gets stored here. You can actually see the leads that are getting stored, their information. If you want to assign to a particular salesperson, you can actually go and assign it from here. You can actually see the sources from where all the leads are coming in, either it's a sign up or a website or a Facebook lead. So you can actually go and see what all leads are coming from what all sources. This is a total tab section. You can look at just the fresh leads, the open leads that you're working on, the customers that you have, and of course the closed that are not interested in your product. We also have a tab called duplicate, where you can actually duplicate, mark the leads duplicate, whosoever and wherever they are, putting in their queries. You can filter the leads through the filter section, through sales, through source, or of course, whether it's verified or not verified. There are two options of getting the lead into the system. One is the automated one, which basically this system gets attached to your Facebook Center. I go to the settings and I can clearly add the Facebook Lead Center to my CRM software. You can add the page, you can add the forms wherever you want, whichever form you want. You can of course assign the salesperson directly from here and can finish the setup. Now this will help you and allows you to get the Facebook or the meta leads directly from the Facebook page. So that's the automated part. You can also get leads automatically from the web form. What you can do is you can ask your technical team to use this endpoint and use these parameters to pass on the lead, which will come automatically on the system. The second option for generating a lead or capturing a lead is the manual one. What you can do is go to the add contact section. I want to create a lead in the system. Let me say, for example, Rakesh Sharma, and I quickly add his number, or maybe source, which is direct, and say RK Enterprise. And save. So a lead is captured manually right now in the system. You can click here, or you can assign it. First, assign it to a salesperson. Let me click Saurabh and save it. Now the salesperson is assigned to this lead. Now what you can do when clicking on the lead, you can of course call them up and verify and qualify them, whether they are interested, not interested, they are fake, they are unreachable, and of course put a lead to it, put a note to it. So let me qualify this lead for you and say submit. Now this Rakesh as a lead is qualified and he is interested. All the activities which you do on the lead gets captured here in the activity section. I can now add, and when I'm talking to them, I can of course capture his preferences, whether he wants something as a product, whether he wants something as a service. You can actually capture them here, and this enriches Rakesh's profile, and somebody as a salesperson can talk to him and can understand what his requirements are in the past or going forward. I can create a product. I can add a product to Rakesh. So for example, if he's interested in a marketing cloud and a campaign support, these are the two products that I can add and create a deal out of it. So Rakesh as a person can have multiple deals. So this is one of the deal that I've created. I can add multiple deals just by clicking, for example, the CRM software or a business Qnvert software. That's another product that I have added. So I have created two different deals in Rakesh, and I can, I can talk to him and put different outcomes of different deals. So for example, I'm talking to Rakesh on WhatsApp CRM, and of course I can see what all which we have, and I'm talking to him. If he's interested, I'm saying given a demo and need to send the proposal. I move the pipeline to demo given and say 25th on 11:30 a.m. and add. Now what you will see is I have moved the marker from a verified lead to a demo given. This is the sales process, the pipeline that we have set up, and there is a counter that goes what is the kind of a day that I have added and how many days the deal is in that particular stage. I can count them. Now this I have created a task which is I need to send them a proposal. Now this task would come on the dashboard as well as on the task tab as well. And that's how I can manage my deal. If I win it, what I can do is I can say win, closing notes, need to send the invoice. If I have negotiated, if he has negotiated and I have given him a deal of 7,000 and this for example 10,000, I can say all right, review, I can review it and I can close the deal, which basically comes as the deal 1 of a 17,000. I can look at the details, and of course, and if I have to open it again, I can reopen it. I can choose the pipeline, for example, message, negotiation and follow-up, and say yes. I come back onto the same pipeline. Same way, I can go and lose a deal like here, and you have to write what are the kind of reasons, whether they have taken another tool or they have taken another feature. You don't know. Do you want to close the lead? No, I don't want to close the lead because I have got multiple deals with them. So I just say yes. So one deal that I have won and one deal that I have lost. So I can manage the deal, the entire deals of a particular person, of a particular lead can be managed from here. I can reopen it again, reactivate, go to the pipeline and say yes, I can reopen the deal. So these are the two deals which are open at various stages, and all the activities gets recorded here in this. What I can also do is I can change the status of a deal to a hot, warm or cold. For example, I do it as a cold and this is a hot. So I can have two deals, one is cold and one is hot. Now what exactly this two hot and cold and task would do? I've got different options here in the left panel. I can go all deals. I can quickly look at the overall deal number, plus I can segregate them from the hot, warm and cold, and I can start working on them as quick as possible. And of course the lost deal, and I've got the win deal as well. So I can similarly, I have the tasks list with me, the pending task, the today's task and the upcoming task, and I can have a detailed view of that. This is the lead management system that we've got with us. You can automate a lot of stuff when it comes to the sales process. I can click on automation. I can create different workflows in automation. So for example, I click on build a trigger. I click on automation editor and I started with a trigger. So for example, if some lead arrives in my system, which is a fresh lead, I would like to send them a WhatsApp invite, a WhatsApp template. So I click on the WhatsApp template. I select the WhatsApp approved WhatsApp template and I say okay and update. I can wait for some time. For example, I wait for 2 hours and I can either split it. So if he has done something, for example, if he has opened it or is a close, he's a customer, he's an active customer, which values that we are passing on, we can split the lead and can send them a different communication, which is this, or either an SMS. So you can actually create a workflow, an automated workflow in your system for your sales leads. Let me save it. Test sales. Save it as a draft. And there you go. I can start it from here. I can start from the inside, or I can edit it back. So that's the automation tool that we've got for our lead automation system. And of course, you can check out the report section. You can have a customized report built for you. You can create call logs. We also have a WhatsApp inbuilt API for the chat in the CRM. So what you can do is you can log into the settings again, add the WhatsApp official APIs, and then start chatting with your customers or with your leads. I will create another video on this chat section separately. That's what is all about the sales process. Thank you very much for listening to me, and I hope to see you on Qnvert. Thank you very much.